Local news for Friday the 4th of October. The annual Blessing of the Animals takes place Sunday at the Wairarapa SPCA, uniting with families, canines and other creatures great and small for a special opportunity. Anyone wishing to take their pet are welcome to join at 2 o'clock on Sunday. And Wings Over Wairarapa took out the Supreme Award last night at the Business Wairarapa Awards in front of a packed house at the Copthorne Solway Park. Aratoy has launched 50/50, 50 years of Aratoy, and a book proudly designed, produced and printed in Wairarapa. Details the art and history of the museum and is offering a special pre-sale rate from now until the 10th of October when purchased directly from the museum. Greytown's Arbour House is sadly set to close. It houses around 19 residents, and whilst there's a sufficient number of beds available in Wairarapa, all affected residents are able to be accommodated. However, it will mean a move to Carterton or Masterton for some. And in sport, the Farriers at Wairarapa Bush are at home tomorrow to play against Horowhenua Kapiti in the next round of the Heartland Championship. Greytown prop Lewis Bush will make his debut off the bench, while James Picotti will play his 25th and later game for the team. The team will also play for the PGG Wrightson's Challenge Cup and the Bruce Steele Trophy. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.